Hello students, we'll have a sample problem on factory overhead application. No, we will be applying and we look into the actual based on normal capacity versus expected actual capacity. Okay. And in our problem, we have wonder kind. And in wonder kind, we are tasked, we have 6 requirements. So we'll start with the first one. Predetermined, no? The predetermined factory overhead is the same as your standard factory overhead based on normal capacity. So let's have the data. Normal capacity is 60,000 machine hour. So our normal capacity is 60,000 machine hour, and operating level expected would be 45,000. It is expected machine hour, expected actual machine hour. Then we have variable overhead and we have fixed overhead. How much? 29,250 and 18,000. This is the cost at expected. Okay. Then we have our actual hours. We have 47,000 and we have actual factory overhead 47,100. Okay. Wala tayong na-miss na data? Wala naman. So, ang kailangan natin ay budgeted rate. Budgeted rate is the same as pag-rate. Ang budgeted rate is the same as standard rate. Pero pag cost, ang budgeted cost is not the same as standard cost. Okay, pero pag rate, pwede silang the same rate. Mahirap mag-compute ng alang data. Ano yan? Normal capacity. So, ang denominator natin ay 60,000. Diba? 60,000 for, this is for, gagamitin natin to kay fixed factory overhead rate. Bakit 60,000? Kasi the predetermined factory. Yan. So we have, diba 18,000, ayan. Compute yun na. Equals, ilan? 0.3. O, yung variable overhead rate natin. It is 29,250. Yan o. Ang tanong, anong gagamitin nating denominator? Should it be 60 or should it be 45? Diba? So, anong dapat? Ano na ang nature ng variable rate nyo? Regardless of the regardless of the physical factor, in this case, hours, it will be the same. And itong 29,240, or rather 250, this is what? Expected. Diba? Sorry. Tingnan nyo. Ito ang data natin. Expected variable overhead rate. Diba? Yun ang sinabi. And the basis of the variable expenses, ayan no, at expected actual capacity. So, ang gagamitin nating denominator ay 45,000. And this is equal to ilan? 0.65. Okay? Kasi yung binigay yung cost sa inyo, yun ang crucial. Kailangan tingnan nyo mabuti. Sabi kasi, ito 29,250, yun yung at expected actual capacity. Okay? So, ito yung rate, 0.65 will be the rate for normal capacity and expected actual capacity. Diba? So, pag tinanong kayo, tanong, okay? Sa expected actual capacity, how much is the fixed cost? How much? 18. How much is the variable cost? 29,250. At normal capacity, how much is the fixed cost? It will be 18,000. And how much is the variable cost? It will be 0.65 multiplied by, you have 60,000 machine hours. Kasi ang nature ng variable cost mo, fixed sa rate, sa total, nagbabaris. Okay? May sagot na kayo? Anong sagot nyo? 0.65 sa 60,000. Ilan yun? Ano na eh? Nasa number 1 tayo balik tayo. This is based on, ano yung number 1 natin? Normal capacity. Okay? Kaya yung fixed overhead rate mo, naka-normal capacity. Yung variable, bakit expected actual? Ay, kasi nga yung data na binigay. Diba? Klaro yun na-compute yun 0.65 at 60,000. Yan nakuha nyo. It will be 39,000. Okay? Kaya ang total cost mo dyan ay ilan? Hirap paano? $57,000. Yan. Punta na tayo sa number 2. Anong basis sa number 2? Expected actual capacity. Madali na to. Kaya nyo na to. Ano na? O di yung 29,250. Ganun pa rin, di ba? 45,000. Okay? Tapos yung 18,000 mo, dahil expected actual capacity. So, ano pasin nyo? 45,000. Babago lang yung sa fixed overhead. Kasi nga, yung costing na binigay sa atin, nagbase sa expected actual capacity. So, you have 0.4. Kaya ang total natin, 1.05. Yan. And then, over tsaka under applied. Number 3. Sa normal capacity rate, ang hina doon. Sorry. So, your applied. Applied is equal to standard. And standard is actual physical factor multiplied by standard rate or applied rate. Ang ating base sa normal capacity rate, yun yung computation. Yun yung applied rate. So, 47,000 yung actual machine hour natin. Yung na-compute natin kanina na standard. Ano ba yun? Ito. 0.3 plus 0.65. O, ilan? 0.95. Okay. So, ilan to? Compute nyo? This is equal to 44,650. Okay? Punta na tayo sa 4. Number 4 natin, expected actual capacity. Yung rate. Diba? So, ganun din pa rin tayo. Actual physical factor, in this case, 47,000 machine hour, multiply natin sa rate, 1.05 yung hangina, diba? Magkano? Ilan nakuha nyo? Correct? 49,350. Okay? Then we can have now the over or underapplied. Diba? Okay. Over. Ano number 5? Ang actual factory overhead ay ito 47,000. And then, ang applied based dun sa normal capacity rate ay 44,650. So, we have under applied. Diba? Mas mababa yung applied. So, we have 2,450. Yan. Paano kung base sa AFO, applied is standard, o hindi, binago ko lang. Ano yan? Anong ginamit natin? Expected actual. Dito, expected actual rate. 47,100. Then, we have 49,350. So, you have ilan? This one is over applied. So, kita mo, crucial yung no? Ano yung pinagbasihan natin na sa pag-compute ng rate. But, both of which are estimation. Diba? So, you have 2,250. Mas mataas yung standard or applied. So, pag monetary factor, let's wrap up. Pag rate, ulitin ko ang budgeted rate is equal to standard rate is equal to applied rate. Basta rate, ha? Ay. O, tandaan, basta rate, pare-pares lang yan. Pero pag cost, di na. Ayan. Bakit? Kasi, kita nyo, pag total cost na, yung budgeted cost, hindi yan equal sa standard cost. Maliban na lang kung ang actual capacity mo, kailan, normally ito yan, kailan ang budgeted magiging equal sa standard cost. O, kailan? Kailan? Isip kayo. Tumpak. You're correct. Pagka ang normal capacity is equal to actual production. Yung physical factor nyo, parehas lang. Halimbawa ito, 45,000, tapos ito, 45,000. Madalang namang nagiging equal yan. 'Di ba? Kaya dito sa problem na to, ano ang budgeted cost? You apply depende kung anong gusto nyo gamiting rate. Kung based on ito, pag ang ginamit mo, yung sa normal, tsaka yung sa expected actual, diba? Ano yan? It would be 0.95 and then 1.05, diba? And then ang physical factor natin, normal capacity. So ang normal capacity nyo ay 60,000 machine hour and 60,000 machine hour. Okay? Ito yung A natin. A point. Yan. Ito tayo sa A2. We're in budgeted cost pa din. And then, ang physical factor mo, expected actual capacity. Anong gagawin nyo? So, 1, 2. Normal. Wait. Nalimutan tayo. Yan, ito na. Namali ako. Burahin na natin to. Yan, wala na yan. Diba? Tapos ito, magiging 45,000. O, yan yung budgeted cost nyo. Yung B natin, diba? Burahin ko na to. Yan, para alam nyo kinukorek ko. Yung B natin, we have standard cost or applied. Diba? Ano gagawin natin? Wala nang ganito. Wala nang either normal or expected. Actual na to. Actual machine hours, ang magkakaiba na yung rate. Kung ang gagamitin natin, multiply natin sa normal, ito na yung may 1, 2. Normal capacity rate at saka expected capacity rate. Okay? So, yung budgeted cost, pwedeng dalawang case scenario yan. Diba? Iisa yung physical factor na gagamitin natin o magkaiba. But anyway, yan. Dapat tinuloy ko na kanina. Sige, mamaya na lang. Okay? And then, ano yan? So, you have 47,000 multiplied by 0.95. Ito yung sa 1. And then sa 2, 47,000 multiplied by 1.95. 0.05. Diba? Yan. So, that's with the standard cost. So, yung budgeted cost, dalawa ang pwede nating paggamitan based sa normal at saka sa expected pagdating sa machine hours. Okay? Ginawa lang natin to kasi mas magkabati. Normal sa normal, expected sa expected. Okay? Although, pwede namang may ibang estimation, allowed pa din na parehas na 60-60, tsaka parehas na 45-45. Okay? And, kani actual cost natin? O, edi 47,100. Ano yung actual rate natin? O, di 47,100 divide by 47,000. Diba? Yan yung magiging rate nyo. Okay? So, sagutin nyo to in your experience point, yung actual rate, yung inyong standard cost, no? Sa letter B, at sagutin nyo din itong budgeted cost. I hope you were able to differentiate budgeted, standard, and actual. Have any question? Feel free to ask. Good day and keep safe.